Good morning, everyone. This is Roianne.Buystedt, and I'm here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon to show you this 2018 Thor Windsport 29M. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Okay, everyone, this unit is a little over 30 feet long. It does have an overhead bed over the driver and passenger seats. It's a drop-down bed. It can hold 500 pounds. It has a full wall slide, and there is also sleeping in the couch and the booth. It has a residential refrigerator and a king-size bed. This unit is also equipped with an outdoor kitchen and an outdoor TV. Solid surface counters. It has an oven and a regular microwave oven. Thank you, everyone, for taking a look at this Thor Windsport. If you have any questions about this or any of the other units in our inventory, I'm happy to help. Again, my name is Roianne. My phone number is 541-636-7862. Have a nice day.